with friends so you can support each other along that road.
This move was not just about physical abstinence, but about reclaiming his focus and aligning his life with a higher purpose. This kind of discipline is powerful. It's not easy to control desires or break free from old habits, but Redman's story shows that such a commitment can lead to incredible growth. Controlling urges and choosing discipline over instant gratification isn't just a choice, it's a statement. It's about recognizing your worth and prioritizing your peace and mental clarity over fleeting moments. Redman's decision also sheds light on the importance of evaluating your circle. Surrounding yourself with people who support your growth is critical. When you're on a journey of self-improvement, continuing to engage with people who reinforce bad habits can hold you back. By removing himself from those influences, Redman created the space for peace, clarity, and alignment with his goals. This isn't just about abstinence, it's about deeper spiritual growth. Breaking free from soul ties, trauma bonds, and old patterns allows for renewal. Fasting from habits or relationships that no longer serve you helps create room for blessings, opportunities, and a higher connection with yourself and the world around you. The results of Redman's decision are undeniable. He looks rejuvenated, full of life, and centered. It's a testament to the power of intentional living. When you focus on discipline and self-control, it doesn't just impact one area of your life, it transforms your mindset, relationships, and even your energy. This journey is proof that sometimes stepping back is the best way to move forward. Redman's story is an inspiring reminder to prioritize self-discipline, peace, and growth. By doing so, you can unlock the best version of yourself and open doors to possibilities you never thought were achievable.
Trying to look young again. Who knows? Who knows?
Which parent are you? In the bustling city of Nutriville, a group of extraordinary individuals has emerged, known far and wide as the Superfood Parents. They are on a mission to transform their families' lives through the power of nutrition, one delicious bite at a time. Meet Chef Laquita Marie, the culinary mastermind behind the Superfood Parents playbook. With boundless enthusiasm, she welcomes you to embark on a thrilling journey to becoming a true superfood hero. But what exactly does that mean? In Nutriville, superfood parents are everyday heroes. These superfood parents lead the charge for better health, but not with capes. They lead with carrots, and whole food fats like avocados. And instead of masks, they lead with mangoes and berries. Fruits and vegetables are the disease-destroying arsenal of heroes. Are you a disease-destroyer superhero for your loved ones? Fruits and veggies fuel the mission of heroes like Veggie Vixen. Are you a Veggie Vixen for your loved ones? Dedicated to ensuring their loved ones thrive on a diet rich in faves, fruits and vegetables. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to guide your family to superhero status by reaching the highest levels of health and wellness daily. Become a plant-powered titan, a superfood avenger, or even a face crusader by earning 5 points for every fruit or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled plus where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you the heroic strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion. And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. Are you ready to join the ranks of the Superfood Parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of face and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
You ain't even a guest no more. Yeah, they here, bro. Yeah, you with the family, man. I told you we gonna bring you in quarterly to make sure all our investments are up to par. Get some insider information. That's illegal. I mean, we're gonna get some tips and some pointers.